yeah, we're gonna continue on from my last episode. Just give me a second to get back to grips with what's going on, because I've just been playing some other games. Okay, so we're at 60,000, which is a lot. Zebras, they're all okay, right? Can we get back to grips? Sorry about this. Pardon me, by the way. Yeah. Oh yeah, we have to get the black bears happy, don't we? Why aren't they happy? Needs more foliage. What foliage do I like? Trembling aspen tree. Okay. So they're like these, yeah? Wait. Really? Why don't I like them? Trembling aspen tree. Wait, have I done something wrong here? Asian black bears, yeah? They're like Himalayan pine tree. Huh. I don't think we have that. Nope. Well, that's bad. That's really bad. That's pretty bad. I don't want to adopt the woolly mammoth. What the hell? What? No. What the hell is happening? This episode is so weird. Okay, we'll you know what? We'll just screw that. We'll just delete all of this. Actually, no, we'll get rid of the bears first before we let the bears just kill all our people. Okay, so Asian black bears are a little bit too advanced for us right now. That's probably getting a bit too carried away. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, that's. I think maybe we should have. So we've got lions and zebras, right? Okay. What animals can we get? Huh. A yeti? What the hell? Could have a yeti. That's a bit expensive. How about a reindeer? Reindeer? Yeah, sure, a reindeer. Okay, this and bar fence. I'll say about like how big should the thing be? I've also got to lower this ground, haven't I? Oh, did you hear that? Someone got a bit too excited. My main focus for this playthrough is normal animals and the marine animals. I don't like dinosaurs too much because scientists are really expensive. 1,000 per month, so it's just really hard to keep up. God damn it, some flies in my house and it's just like bombarding me in the face. Just thought I'd let you know. Yep, okay, cool. There's a bit there I missed as well. Whoop, done. Okay, we're doing pretty good so far. What's we gonna have? We're gonna have reindeers, aren't we? 1, 2, 3, 4. The hell is that noise? I'm really sorry about that. Not enough snow. Does not like the trash can. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so there's not enough snow. Snow's quite expensive to actually place down, so it's gonna cost a lot. Like that there cost 10,000. That's really expensive. Really expensive. Too much grass, not enough grey stone, not enough snow. Yeah, I'm just like going really slow today. Grey stone, okay. I think grey stone is pretty expensive too. But I don't think they want too much of it. This is really expensive. I don't know if we should be doing this. Okay. Foliage, we have here more rocks. God damn it. Apparently they want more. Apparently that makes them more sad. Not enough grey stone, okay. This is a really expensive. What? Why are they sad then? Oh, they're like grass too. Wow, really? Really? So we'll be happy with more rocks and more foliage. Is that how you say it? Is it foliage? I'm not too sure now. Now that I think about it. Okay. What type of trees do I like? Holiday tree. I bet you I don't have this shit, man. God damn it. Did I like this? Yes, thank God. Too many. Too many. And rocks, was it? Shut up. I bet these guys breed a load. So we can sell them later on. We sell their babies. It's kind of mean, I know, but we have to stay in the business. I'm sorry. This is well suited. Okay, so they like it. They're like, yeah! Pretty sure. Let's get some concrete going on around here. There we go. So they can actually go all around there if they wish to. Like this one. How much do they cost? 25. Yep, that sounds good. See what people think about Zoo. I really like this hot dog. Okay. Looks pleased. Okay. Thank you for admiring it. Wait, maybe we should stop that because our money's getting kind of low. Okay. Maybe now we should make another one, maybe. Unless we want to improve our business type thing. I don't know if people are that hungry yet. I'm not too sure. If we get a bit marketing going up, 500. So that'll mean we get more people coming into our zoo. I think that should be good. Zebras are okay, yeah? Yeah, they're awesome. I've got a little baby. Ah! That'd be kind of creepy, wouldn't it? Oh, look, the baby. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, what else should we have? We're at that stage right now where we have to decide what we want to go to, which way we want to go to. And I think some monkeys would be great. Olive, baboon. I think, yeah. They're gonna love it. Animals cannot climb over that good. That's what we want. I say it's kind of hard to decide because I don't want to go bankrupt too quick. Wait, I think actually we should have double roads. Because in my past I've made it so it's just that if they struggle to actually the Zuki will struggle to get inside of it because it gets a bit too crowded. So that should be good. Sorry, yeah, I'm really sorry about my voice. I've got a bit of a cold, so voice sounds a bit boring. But yeah, hopefully the next episode should be alright. What was it we're gonna have? Alright, we're gonna have the baboon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why do they always get sad about that? Like, Savannah. I think it's Savannah. Same thing. I think Savannah's actually the cheapest one, which is great. Maybe not. Savannah's quite expensive. Holy shit, Savannah's so expensive. Oh man, that's so low on money. Gee, you were so close. Whoa, did you just hear that? Not enough dirt. Who wants dirt, you weirdos? Too much grass, not enough Smelly. I don't know about this one, guys. It's really expensive. I think they're. I don't know, because in the past I made mistakes where their like habitats are too small, but I think maybe I'm building them a bit too big now. They're getting really expensive. About that. Okay, that's good. That's really expensive, but good. You bastards. They should mate pretty soon, because monkeys mate quite a lot. From my past experience, I do. More rocks. What type of rocks do you guys want? Yeah. What else would you like? Not enough shelters. Oh my god. Yeah, so if you haven't played this game before, later on in game you get like more stuff, like more animals, just more things to do, so you don't get bored as easy. And you get like stuff like animal theatres, petting zoos, animal shows. Yeah, and it gets really good later on in the game. But 4 just because they breed quite fast. It doesn't matter. There's more than necessary shelters. So we got 200. Sorry, 500 marketing cost. Let's see, we're reckoning quite a lot of guests right now, and hopefully they're all quite happy. Yeah, reindeers look good. Yep, I thought so. That reminds me, actually, I've got to place some bins down around here. Better put it there. Leave them on behind it. What else could we have? There we go. Look at the little baboons. That's how you say it, isn't it? Baboon? Yeah, I think it is. So bad. Okay, so right now we have 2 zookeepers, but no maintenance workers. We need some of these because they empty out the bins when they get full. And if not, then they just throw on the floor, so like, you have to empty them out quite a lot. And maybe we should... Actually, we should check how much they'll actually like the zebras. 2.5 stars, wow. They hate the zebras. They actually hate the zebras. I think that's... Oh wait, 5 stars, lol. Reindeers. 5 stars, lol. Baboon. Well, that just come up, so yeah, 1.5. That should improve low, hopefully. I hope. Got restrooms, yes. Do we have anything else? What else could we possibly have right now? As you can see, I just unlocked the hot dog stand. I think, unless that was there before. In which case I look like an idiot, but... I think we just unlocked that, which is great. Perry Dog Cafe. That sounds kind of cool. Let's place one of them down. Right next to the... Wow. Maybe I shouldn't have placed that down there. Maybe I should have placed that more up here. And expanded more this way. I don't know now. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that. Because they're just not going to rack in enough customers. It's going to end up going bankrupt. I think here. Yeah. Still getting used to everything else. Okay. You're happy, right? Good, good, good. 12 grand, that's pretty good. Could do a bit more though. How much profit we're making? Yeah, see, we're not making much profit because all that construction costs. But yeah, once we stop making stuff, we should start making some profit. Now, if I go back onto it, you see it's gone up by quite a lot. So we are actually making profit, which is great because making profit is kind of important. What else do we have? Kind of struggling because all of my other zoos it went so quickly. This just seems like it's going forever. So if we actually branch, actually one more there. Whoa, that's kind of cool. Ah. Congratulations, you have been given the Blue Ribbon Award. Oh my god, highest customer satisfaction for making guests visit to your zoo memorially. And I got 25 grand. I'm actually pretty happy about that. I think once I make one more, I'm going to have to end it there. I think I'm just going to make an Asian elephant. Oh my god. I'm going to make one of them. They sound pretty cool. I don't know where to put it though. I'm going to have like a stand here. And I don't know if I should end the video now or do a few more things. Because people, these are for because people actually do get tired and have to sit down if not, they hate your zoo and they run away. Never ever come back. Oh, I don't know how to place this thing. Okay, definitely here. I'm not the best designer. I'm pretty bad actually. Like my stuff, what I make, just look terrible. But it's fun. I don't want to make that pen too big because it is getting quite expensive now. I think that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. At least I've got food, right? Yeah. Asian elephant. Wow, sound really cool. I got the fun. I'm gonna headbutt each other. Then. Charge. Not enough rainforest. Not enough fresh water. How expensive is rainforest put down? Coniferous. Rainforest is pretty expensive to be honest, but you know we're bad, so we're gonna place it all this down. Especially because we won that award, so we got quite a lot of money on that. Oh shit! What else did I want? Not enough fresh water. Okay, so they're quite heavy into their fresh water. Okay, maybe not. What else did I want? Not enough grass. Oh, they actually like grass. Wow, we got two things that actually like grass. I've never actually seen people who like grass before. It's kind of strange. What else do they want? Not enough shelters. What type of foliage do I like? Foxtail palm trees. I've never even heard of that. Damn. But was it? Maybe I don't have them. Maybe. No, I don't have them. Nope. Okay then. Oh, sugar. What? Oh, okay. Jungle rock. That actually looks pretty cool. Even more rocks. Damn. More rocks. But to be honest, it does actually look pretty cool. More shelters. Alright, I'm gonna end it here actually. Yep. Okay, guys. Wait. I can't get off this game. It's too awesome. Wait, would they? Where would they live? Hope. I'll sort out next episode. But thank you for watching, guys. If you liked, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.